It was a pleasure for me being here. I wouldn't miss it actually.
Thank you very much. So, can you please explain that what are your prime roles and responsibilities in your organization?
Actually, I'm an IT manager in Like Insurance. Like Insurance is the market leader in general insurance industry in Cyprus, and I'm the IT manager there. I'm responsible actually to provide solutions, create efficiencies in my company. That's why we selected NewGen to be our partner in order to promote efficiencies in the company.
Thank you very much for your trust on Newgen. So, may I know that what was those needs, or from where the need arises that you should go for a BPM implementation?
Okay. Our company has a wide network. It has brokers, it has issuing agents, it has branches, and we sell insurance again through bank branches. So we want to bring our customers together in the same platform, and at the same time, we wanted to improve our efficiencies and economies of scales. That's why we selected BPM to assist us achieve our objectives.
So, I'm sure that when you thought that okay, we need a BPM solution for our needs, and okay, we then now we should go and look for a BPM partner. So, I'm sure you must have evaluated lots of partners. So, how and why you selected Newgen for that?
We have seen a lot of packages. For 2 years actually we were out looking either for a core application that could embed BPM processes in it and flows, or a separate application that could be integrated with our core application and provide the solution that we want. From the solution, and I must say that we have a document management ourselves as well, but it didn't produce the efficiencies they want. From the systems that we look at it, and the integration provided from through BPM solution, and the processes and the rules that you can build in BPM, I cannot say that we found it in other systems. So we selected BPM. At the same time, at that time, our major partner, Popular Bank, has implemented BPM. So we had their recommendation as well. So we decided to go on with NewGen. And I can say that it was a good move.
Thank you very much. So, what all the benefits you have achieved after the implementation with Newgen?
The benefits, I can say that it's been about 12 months that the system is running. We are expecting that the capital return of interest will be 250% by the end of the year. The turnaround time of completing a claim from 50% has been increased to 90%. We close 99%. The efficiencies we have, the redundancies times, we don't have any redundancies times and delays. The documents are electronically kept in the DMS system. The employees or our partners, they can immediately have an access to the documents, find whatever they want without looking around, tracking the files and this sort of thing. We have automated procedures, and with zero effort, we can send um, policy invitations to the customers without manual intervention. We can send statements to the customer with zero effort. Just it's automated procedures through BPM and integration with our system, they can go to the customers. In the claims department, that getting the first time right the claim from 50%, it has been increased to 90%. This is a great efficiency for our company. We came closer to our customers. We have integrated SMS facility with BPM. At the time we file a claim, immediately our customer or our intermediary is notified that we have a claim, and we are looking at it. He knows the responsible officer. He can contact the responsible officer. He knows the status of his claim. This is very important for our customer, because, as I said before, in an insurance company, insurance companies only appreciate if you manage to settle the claims and settle them timely, and this achieved through the BPM process. We have the capacity for handling more claims has been increased dramatically. The decision making that you can make through the BPM, the monitor activity. This is very large advantages for our company. The claims manager can immediately see who is handling more claims than the other. He can allocate the claims. He can allocate the claims to the other claims officers. To move fast the claim process and this sort of thing. The decision making is very important for a claims manager. The routing, that you have the right people, the right skills, right competencies to handle specific tasks. This is very important for for getting the process to get more streamlined and move fast. This is very important for a claims department. A lot of integration. We have a lot of integration. The BPM allows integration. We have the rescue line, where it goes when there is an accident. The rescue line goes, it takes the picture of the car, and immediately is integrated with the rescue line, and we have a claim notification at the office of our employees, where they will review the claims and forward it to the right people to take care of it. This is very important for us.
So how the relationship with Newgen going on?
The relationship is it's very good. I would say that they gave us very good consultancy, and we managed to manage the resistance of the users very well, because we have cases, you know how users they are. There are cases that they wanted, when the claim comes, when a work item goes to their office, to be red, when they touch it to be blue, and when they settle it to be red. This is innocence, but the users are like that. Newgen were there with us to satisfy the users and give solutions. So I can say the participation of Newgen and the way they have approached us, it was fantastic.
Thank you very much, Kathy, for your time. Any message to the Newgen team and the world for our relationship?
I would like them to continue producing innovative solutions. Definitely there are some other areas that we want to improve, and definitely we will continue working with them.